I know that this is a program for the government.
They are given a paper exercise. They are learning only the mission drops.
Hello.
Good afternoon. This is Sibuya working for Sumanali Society, and we are at Sumanali Fashions, where this is a government unit made for the disabled. People working here are from the backgrounds of HIV, leprosy, and disability. And the program is initiated for the rehabilitation of the people who are from the Sumanali Society. And we would like to present them here in this factory by giving them job opportunities to work as any other common person. So keeping the disabilities in mind and their differently abled capacities, we want them to work and produce a quality product like any other common persons. So this is a factory where we have an oven top, that is a ready-made garment unit, where we have about 130 people working here, giving a capacity of about 450 to 500 shirts, men's shirts, like the ones what I'm wearing here. And these are the shirts, job work, where companies like Madura Garments, Bombay Rayon, Zodiac, and other local domestic companies who have come here to contribute their work here. And we have done some brands like Marco Polo, Guess, and Duns, Lefties, and things like this. And also we have catered many of the domestic markets here. And the process what you can anticipate here is like any other garment unit, since we are 1/10 of any other big companies here. We have about 100 machines here with 130 capacities and working with a capacity of about 60 people on the machines here. We have a cut to stitch process, and during the cut to stitch process we have a cutting unit, sewing unit, quality check control, we have a finishing unit, and we have a packing section. And in all, we are able to cater to the cut to pack scenario. And in the cutting unit, we cut the fabrics as per the patterns given by the buyers. We bundle them up and send it across to the sewing. In the sewing, we have all the specialized machines to sew exactly the shirts what is required by your export market. We are able to produce the shirts from one end to another end for the finished products. When the finishing is done, we send it across to the buttoning and buttonhole, wherein these operations are taken and sent across for washing, and later comes in for the quality check. And after the quality check, we send it across to the ironing board, where the finishing is done. When the finishing is taken care, we send it across to the packing department. The packing people, I think so probably over the end of this shooting, we can go around the departments to have this noted. And in the packing, we do the packing as per the buyer's requirements, as per the AQL 1, 1.5, 2. So these are the standards followed in the quality levels here. And to talk in general, we are able to give about 70% of the efficiency of the people here, even though they are disabled. The people with disability with leg work with hands. People with the disabilities with blindness are working on the machines for thread sucking and buttoning, and they are all put into the categories of the disabilities taken care. And we find that most of the disabled people are in a position to be at par with any other normal persons. That is why I mentioned that they are differently able. So once we find that the production is approved by any exporters, that is the par with any other company. So we are doing a good job, giving a 70% efficiency level and a 100% quality level like any other company. So And we work on the general shifts from morning 9 to 8 and morning 9 to 5, giving an 8-hour slot, and they do not work overtimes here. They lead a happy life, taking a good government salaries here. So that should be fine with me here. Signing off in behalf of Sumanali Fashions, and me managing this as a coordinator here. Thank you.